I'm really annoyed, really annoyed. There's a person who I know, a constituent who has issues, is a recovering alcoholic, clean for 12 months. I've just found out, speaking to family members, that they were sent an eviction notice late on the 23rd of December. 23rd of December. The point is there, the eviction is not that person's fault, by the way. The landlord's selling the property, but it's run by the council. But my issue is a vulnerable person, strenuously trying to avoid relapse, clean for 12 months, eviction notice falls through 23rd, Christmas Eve the next day, very difficult for anyone to get any joy on Christmas Eve, followed by the Christmas period, when everyone's happy, 25th, Boxing Day. There's a whole period there where a very vulnerable person, not knowing which way to turn, has no one to complain to or get information from because they served the eviction notice letter talking about the eviction on the 23rd of December. Now, they got previous for this as well, so I dealt with the case when they did it on Christmas Eve. Now, a bit of empathy, a bit of common sense. Serve notices. Don't serve notices just before a holiday, especially Christmas, because what they've said is that they went into the property where the individual was and they had a beer can in their hands, right? And luckily didn't take that sip. But that situation was caused by really poor management of a tenancy. So I'm going to be finding out, I'm going to propose a change to Cardiff Council that, because nothing can happen during the Christmas period, nothing. So why are they telling people they're going to be evicted? I know it may be, the outcome's going to be the same, but at least at that particular time of the year, they're not going to have that worry over that period. And then when they do get the eviction notice, it'll be a time when they can pick the phone up and speak to someone and get information. So that's a change of policy that I'm going to propose to housing in Cardiff and anywhere really. But I'm going to do more digging and get some background, but I'm particularly annoyed at the, can I say sadism? Because what I'm dealing with constantly with cases is sadism in the Welsh public sector. It never used to be like this, in my opinion. Probably sound like an old bloke now. It used to be better years ago. In my opinion, it did. But what we have is either deliberate or accidental sadism, whereby through the actions of public officials, people are being put through pain. And all you need is better management and just a better way of dealing with people. Yeah, a bit of customer care. That's all you need. Right, if you come to me as a counsellor, sometimes I'll fall down, and sometimes things do slip through the cracks, and there are too many cases. And when I work in family law, it's 100%. 100%. My customer care is impeccable. Mostly. Sometimes, obviously, mistakes can happen, so on and so forth. But it's really important to me. And what I want to see on Cardiff Council is that ethos adopted, because it's not there. It is not there. So, a bit of a rant. The video's a lot longer than I thought it would be. But 23rd of December, eviction notice for somebody in recovery from substance abuse. Do they want to push these people back into addiction? Disgusting. Right, I'll be making inquiries. Diolch yn fawr.